Hello, welcome to my channel. We have been solving this past papers. So right now I have this mathematics, pure math 1, and it is October, November 2024. So we were doing question number 10. We did 9 questions last time. So now we are at question number 10. Okay, so yes, this is question number 10. It says that an arithmetic progression has first term 5 and common difference b. Okay, so from this information, we can see that nth term of this arithmetic progression is going to be, remember it is a plus n minus 1 into d. So a, which is the first one, it is 5. So plus n minus 1 into d. D is not known right now. Okay, and d is positive. It's given the second, fifth, and 11th term. Okay, so what is the second term? N is 2, and it is going to be 5 plus 2 minus 1, 1, and d. Similarly, second and then fifth. So fifth term would be 5 plus 4d. And similarly, the 11th term, so A11, it is going to be 5 plus 10d. Right? Okay, so these are the first, the second, fifth, and 11th term. Okay, now it is given that what is this? The first thing, yeah, these are the first three terms of a geometric progression. Okay, so these three are first three terms of a geometric progression. Remember, geometric progression and its term is a r power n minus 1, right? So the for the geometric progression, the first term is a, second term is a r, and third term would be a r squared, right? So basically, and these are the three terms of a geometric, first three terms of a geometric progression. It means if I take the first term, 5 plus d, and I multiply it with r, I will get the second term, which is 5 plus 4d. Did it make sense or not? So the first term, you multiply with r and you get the second term. So I took the first term, multiply with r, it becomes second term. Similarly, the second term, when you multiply it with r, it becomes the third term. So the third term, so if I take the second term, which is 5 plus 4d, and I multiply it with r, it will become the third term, which is 5 plus 10d. Is it clear or no? Okay. So since these three terms, these three numbers, they are the first three terms of a geometric progression, so this must be the common ratio should be the same. So the common ratio between first two terms is this one, and next two terms is this way. Okay, so from here you can see that from here can I say r is equal to 5 plus 4d over 5 plus d. And from here you can see that r is equal to 5 plus 10d over 5 plus 4d. So this, since the common ratio is same, so these two terms must be same. So I can equate 5 plus 4d over 5 plus d to 5 plus 10d over 5 plus 4d. Right? So from here, you can see if I do the cross multiplication, so it is 5 plus 4d and it's square, because this is and this is square. It's going to be equal to 5 plus 10d times 5 plus d. Okay, now we have a quadratic equation. Now we have one unknown, which is d, which will try to solve this equation and find the value of d. Okay, if I open this bracket, I open this square, it's going to be 16d square plus 40d plus 25. Am I right? And this would become 10d times d is 10d square plus this is 50d and this is 5 plus 55d and plus 25. Okay, so this 25 will cancel with this 25, and 16d square minus 10d square becomes 6d square, and 40d minus 15d minus 55d become minus 15d, and this is equal to 0. So if I take 3d common outside, it will become 2d minus 5. So from here, either d is 0, which we will not take because we know d is positive. Remember, it was given in the beginning that d is positive. The second value is that d is equal to 5 by 2 or 2.5, right? So this is interesting that we found the value of d. Okay, let's go back and check what are my terms here. So the second term would be 5 plus 2.5, so this is 7.5. The fifth term of this arithmetic progression is going to be 5 plus 4d. 4d would be 10 plus 5, 15. And this 11th term, it is 10d, so this is 25 plus 5, 30, right? And you can see that yes, they are making up a geometric progression. You multiply 7.5 with 2, you get 50. 15 times 2 is 30. So this is true that the second, fifth, and 11th terms of this arithmetic progression, they are the first three terms of a geometric progression. Okay, so this was our question number 1. Now, sorry, question 10a, and now 10b. The sum of the first 77 terms of the arithmetic progression. Okay, remember the sum of an arithmetic progression. The 10 terms of an arithmetic progression are added, and it will give you n by 2 and 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So from here, if I take S77, right? So you have to find the sum of 77 terms. So it would be 77 over 2, and 2a means 10, a is 5, remember, plus 77 minus 1 is 76, and d is 2.5, right? And are calculated to be 7,700. In the same way, the sum of a geometric progression of n terms, it is known as what's the formula for that? Yeah, it's a 1 minus r power n over 1 minus r. So a in our case is 7.5. Remember, for the geometric progression, we have this thing 7.5, 15, 30, and so on. The first term is 7.5. 1 minus r combination is 2 is power. Okay, right. Okay, 1 second. I'm not talking about this thing. Okay. So this Gn is this. So from here you can see that G of 10, sum of 10 terms. It is A, which is 7.5. 1 minus combination is 2 x power 10 over 1 minus 2. Okay. And this thing was calculated as 7,672.5. So now we can calculate this difference easily. So S77 minus G10. So this would be 7,700 minus 7,672.5, and the answer would be 27.5. Okay, I hope it is all clear. I hope you understand the every step and the logic behind every step. And if you find this videos helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.